Yeah, the draft of a special audit conducted for Fort Thomas released yesterday indicates the city needs to write off $322,000 due to accounting mistakes made over the past decade. And there's more than that, including possibly breaking Kentucky state law by spending $1 million the city didn't really have.
We noticed immediately some significant issues.
That's outside auditor John Chamberlain this week discussing the special audit he performed for the city of Fort Thomas that found numerous issues stretching back possibly decades. Those include an unaccounted for $322,000 in expenses, meaning the city will probably have to write it off. Chamberlain told council members he didn't expect those funds were misappropriated, but the city wasn't reconciling its cash accounts monthly as is normal practice. The city also spent $1 million more than it had in 2024, possibly breaking state law. And a computer glitch initially showed an $11 million deficit. Chamberlain says that was quickly fixed. The audit also uncovered lax controls over credit cards and check signings, as well as the lack of monthly financial reports to city council. The city's overall budget is about $28.2 million, including capital expenses. Councilmember Andy Ellison, who is also running for mayor, says the report shows more oversight is needed. Who do you want to be held accountable here, and what do you think needs to be done next?
I think we need somebody to come in and just do a forensic investigation. And if there is somebody to be held accountable, I think that investigation would bring that to light.
I also spoke with some Fort Thomas residents, including Sharon McKnight, another mayoral candidate, as well as lifetime resident Joan Ferris, who both say residents need to pay closer attention.
It's a wake-up call, and we need to stay informed to hold our city accountable, that's for sure. People are very concerned.
I think the next step should be we need sets of eyes on all of the finances.
The auditor suspects that $322,000 was used for legitimate expenses were not recorded appropriately. City Administrator Matt Kramer declined an interview, saying it was premature given the audit is still in draft form. But in a statement, he said, quote, "The write-off of the $322,000 is a reduction of the city's net worth or equity. It does not affect day-to-day operations or reduce our current cash reserves." That audit is expected to be finalized in the coming week. I will be following up with the city administrator then when that happens. Megan?